Melvin.
Yes, not exactly. Whoa!
And just like that,
That's what I'm talking
right hand on the butt.
Just
What
like
is
I
going
told
on?
Breaking news mga sir, Melvin Jerusalem panalo sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision at napanatili nito ang kanyang WBC minimum weight world title belt kontra sa kalabang Mexicano na si Luis Castillo. Sa pagsisimula pa lamang ng bakbakan ay kontrolado na ng Pinoy ang tempo ng laban, kung saan ay nagawa pa niyang mapatumba ang kalaban sa unang round pa lang. Narito at panuorin natin ang naging highlights ng kanilang bakbakan.
He will do his best to snatch the belt away from Melvin Jerusalem. Jerusalem from Zip Sandman, Cebu City. Round 1 is on its way.
Of course, it's going to be a filling out round. This is a world championship level fight.
Now we looked at the tail of the tape, John. Medyo reach advantage Luis Castillo. So how do you think Melvin should approach this bout, knowing that he's facing a taller and a longer opponent?
We mentioned earlier that Melvin Jerusalem's power shot is the right hand, the right straight. So he has to set it up with a jab. And we have to be very careful with that timing kasi we know the Mexican fighters, they love to go to the body and disrupt your rhythm with that.
And of course, it's Mexican style of fighting, JC.
Like
Key points.
stand and bang.
Yan, key points to victory for Luis Castillo.
Now, he needs to be very much aggressive but very accurate. He needs to make sure that whatever si Jerusalem throws at him will not land.
And there goes that right hand.
And speaking of landing, diba? Right hand for Jerusalem. Jerusalem goes to the body.
Jerusalem attacking the body nitong
There you go.
leveling.
Good start for
He's
Jerusalem
attacking
going
the body of Castillo.
Another body shot, straight body shot from Jerusalem.
right in the solar plexus of the Mexican.
Low and wide stance.
Opening, but nope, no.
Oh, yeah. Low and wide stance here for Jerusalem. Pinapahirapan niya ngayon si Castillo kasi Castillo really needs to either go low or he needs to punch down.
As Castillo receives a left hook from Jerusalem in that corner.
At nakita rin natin ngayon, look at Castillo, nag-wide base na rin siya ngayon. He doesn't want to bend over. He doesn't really need to punch down kasi every time he's gonna try to punch down, papasok sa loob si Melvin. So the way to counter that is to go wide as well.
And so far, yung reach advantage and height advantage medyo nanenegate ni Melvin.
Yes, it's not exactly. Whoa!
And just like that,
That's what I'm talking
right
about.
hand on the butt.
Just
What
like
is
I
going
told you.
on?
Just like
Will
I
he
told you.
survive that?
We have to watch out for that right hand. That's the killer. That's the killer right
The
there.
right hand, will Melvin
And Melvin is going for
Jerusalem
finish this fight?
continues the pressure. Oh my God!
The referee is taking a close look at Castillo right now.
He's checking if
Castillo hanging on for dear life.
And what a round.
Look at the replay.
Replay. Good.
As we discussed earlier, he has to set up that right hand with that jab, and that's what happened right there.
Which he perfectly did. To panic, that would only make things worse.
But he needs to definitely press the button somewhere.
Yes.
He needs to wake up and then
He
throw
needs
more
to use
punches.
his reach advantage.
Oo nga eh.
Sure.
But I think that's too late for that. It's already in the 10th round. And they're way behind on points.
If Luis Castillo wants
By the way he's
to
throwing punches, he's
Oo,
definitely not knocking
diba, if he wants a
Jerusalem
shot,
out.
diba, if he wants a chance, diba, he needs to turn the tide. He needs to sneak in a couple of shots, get some rhythm flowing. Then tignan niya.
Depensa ni
Diba?
Jerusalem.
Kaso nga lang talaga na ang ganda ng depensa ni Melvin Jerusalem eh.
And at this point, Melvin can take a round off
Yes.
and rest, just box around and not take any risks.
And
But I
this
guess
is why,
he's not doing that.
diba? And this is why we're very, very amazed at the work rate of Melvin Jerusalem. Exchange of words from our protagonist here.
What work rate from Jerusalem?
Crazy work rate. Very consistent from the first round up.
Ladies and gentlemen, round 11. For Jerusalem, it's just keeping the pace. For Castillo, it's a now or never moment.
But the thing with Castillo is parang walang sense of urgency.
Oh,
It's like you're not behind on points.
Minsan yung mga ganyang demeanor tsaka body language, alam din niya sa sarili niya na, you know,
And Jerusalem is trying to finish it in
Yes.
this round. The referee's taking a good look.
Wala na.
confident Jerusalem is not letting up, ladies and gentlemen. Dancing his way around the ring, trying to find that perfect opportunity to land
He's
that
just
right
looking
hand.
to make Castillo dance with him.
Sneaky left hook there by Jerusalem. Another right hand.
Rope hook.
This is turning into a sparring session.
Oh,
For Jerusalem.
Body shot from Jerusalem.
diba? It's a confidence, composure. Diba? Alam din niya na he has this guy's number.
Yes.
Alright? A little bit of warning there,
This is
dapat.
what we're talking about when we said na you don't need the knockout, you just need to make a statement.
And this has been a masterclass all throughout, all 11 rounds in favor and courtesy of Melvin Jerusalem. Uppercut from Castillo.
Castillo is just not giving up.
Mhm.
Grabe din ang puso nitong mamang to.
That's the
Diba?
Mexican warrior's heart.
Diba? He's proven himself to be durable.
Yes.
Diba? Matibay, makunat. Final 10 seconds of the round.
As he eats a body shot from Jerusalem.
And still, WBC World Heavyweight Champion, Melvin Jerusalem.
And there you have it. Melvin Jerusalem retains his WBC minimum weight world title against
Via a
Luis
complete
Castillo.
shutout of Luis Castillo.
Absolutely.
Spectacular performance here by Melvin Jerusalem
Yes.
as he retains the WBC minimum weight championship belt. Nakikita po natin the WBC representatives and our Games and Amusements Board Chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera, putting on the WBC belt
Yes.
sa bewang ng ating kampiyon.
Napansin ko lang si Jerusalem got a shirt and a new belt. Si Castillo got a WBC hat.
Binigay ni Melvin yung WBC cap kay Luis Castillo. Great show of sportsmanship
Yes,
there.
That's right. Especially since WBC is from Mexico.
Oh, yes. Nakakabili pa rin talaga. Kahit hindi nanalo si Luis Castillo, yung toughness niya talaga. You know, he's gonna be champ one day, that's for sure.
Of course, well-deserved win.